are live. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we're just doing a little bit of our class while we charge. We got a crazy storm going on here. As you can see. I'm almost wondering why. I don't know, this angle was decent too. Looks like I'm living in the car though when I'm here like that. maybe this looks more comfy. Alright. Did this, did this, did this. X this, X that, X this, X that, X this, X that. You can check out the cat logo. Get going on. Improve. We're doing the work, putting in the work. It's our coding class. Okay, right here. Yeah. Insert a while loop expression. Okay. Ooh, start. Oh, thanks for the like. Whoa. Pop, 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 pop. That was some backfiring. We have some backfiring in the stream. Okay, so jump to level input here. Let's go. This while loop needs to have input. Wait, input variable. Input is greater than negative value. Okay, boom, let's check it. Let's check the code. Check. Checking it. Let's go. Hopefully we get to the next level. Next level, let's go. Yes, our code executed. Pass. Input. Okay, gotta go to level 2. Let's check out level 2. We just nailed level 1. Okay. Level 2, we need, yeah, my code goes here. Thanks to everybody who's checking out the stream. You see me back at the home office doing some coding. Now I'm just out and about doing my coding while I get my car charged. And then I'm going to go work a little bit. Okay, I have a value user care is being read from input. Yeah, user character. So while user character equals I feel like you guys enjoying the coding or what? Oh yeah, here we go. Maybe a better view. Yeah, let's go. Okay, well, user character Q does not equal Q. Do that. Open bracket. Thanks to everybody. Feel free to drop a like. You double tap for a like. Double tap. Okay, let me check. You update the result with the sum of. Oh, okay. Update. Okay, so a scanner, user character equals scanner.next. Hopefully I nailed it, guys. What's up? Okay, we got some comments coming in. Got some comments coming in. What's up, everybody? Enjoying your day? there's so much to update in this day, like that we learned about, but most of the day was spent just organizing, so it was helpful. So I need to write a while loop that reads a character from input, and while the character this is not read, and in each iteration. Oh, okay. We need to. I got it. I got it. We need to add to a variable. So there's a variable. I already have a variable called result. So variable plus equals 1. And then user character is going to be scanner next. Is it going to be next character at 0, or is it just next character? We'll see. Next character at 0. Yeah. Let's check it. Check it out. What's it all about? I'll get some more coming in. Okay, my program failed to compile. Count calculate. It reached end of file while parsing one error. Line 8. Let's just go try scanner.next. Nope. Thanks to everybody who's checking out. We got Gorilla Tag Viewer. Wait, what are you doing? And we your favorite Maddie. Okay, we're charging my car, and I'm working on my coding. There we go. Now you can see a little bit. Yeah, I need to update my code here. So what did I do wrong there? Next, yeah. Read the next character from input into variable user character. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. What the? Dude, what's up, Jace? What are you doing? What am I doing wrong? That's the question. Why is it not reading the next variable in? Let's check this out. Okay, no, I should be able to put that into the while loop. User, scanner next character at 0. Okay, let's not try the equal plus. Maybe I have that written wrong. Maybe I have that written wrong. Scanner.next.character at 0. Okay. And let's go result equals result plus 1. All right, let's try that. Checking code. Trying to write some Java code. Reached end of file while parsing. One error. Oh, bro, you gotta throw a bracket. Why did I think that it already had the bracket? Boom, nailed it. Yo, yes. I thought that I saw a bracket that is actually for a different part of the code. It's for the public main. It's for the main string. Okay, so we're good. All tests pass. Yep, all tests pass. The input was EQ, was queued, QG, blah, 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 blah. We're good. Okay, now to level 3. Level 3. We have an integer read from input. Let's make a while loop that iterates while it's not negative. Easy. Let's go. And then probably do something inside that while loop. Okay. So, while input is greater than 0. Okay. Update the integer final val equals if num is divisible by 3, output an increment. Okay. Oh, so there's an if within the while loop. Okay. If num input is divisible by 3, so that would mean that there would be no remainder, right? Or what's that? If that out of 3 equals 0, happens, then we are adding. Sorry, there's a lot of typing. Love the cat sticker on the back of the computer. Thank you. You're gonna nail this one here. All we have to do is update the final value if it's divisible by 3. So that would mean that the remainder is 0. Because if you have any kind of remainder, it wouldn't mean that it was divisible by 3. So you don't use the division symbol, you use the percent symbol. Then if that happens, we are incrementing final value. So final value by how much? Increment final value, otherwise output lose and do not. Oh, and we have to output. Okay. It doesn't say how much we have to increment it by. Probably just by 1. And gonna do a system out print statement. Winner. Okay, then else, that's the if. Let's close that. If, else. Output system out println lose. And we don't update final val, then read the next integer from input. Okay. Bounce out of that. And okay. Equals next integer. I think I got it. Close bracket. Okay, let's see. I'll show you the right here. I'm gonna check it. Check your code. Check it. And see what happens. Okay, not all tests pass. Missed a test. When expected. Okay. I also okay. I need a new line. Didn't I type a new line? Final value is 0. Oh boy. Greater than or equal to 0. It's greater than or equal to 0. Yep, that's. I just had greater than 0 because I said non-negative, but let's check it if it is equal to 0. What game is this? This is not a game, but it needs to be. It's inspired me to make a game, but no, this is called College. It's not a game. Yo, okay, this is what it looks like when all tests are passed. Oh yeah, there we go. All tests are passed. Let's go. Yep. Nice. Next chapter. Boom. Okay. So this is how I'm trying to be productive now while I'm at the charger. Try and get really good at this and get the website going. Get the website out there. Okay, great. Now I have to read and. Oh, what class? Principles of Programming is the class. Principles of Programming is good. It's a good review of what I've done in the past. I have so much code I've already written, but this has been good to because I'm like, oh, a goal, do a couple programs a day, a couple programs in the morning, couple programs at night. Then a few years down the road, I've written thousands of programs, or edited, so much. That's the ultimate goal. Help spread the joy of looking at huge amounts of code. Dig into the algorithm. Get our edits out there, our training data sets out there. Assume, okay, right now I gotta look what this code is doing for this program. What would the value be before a first loop iterates? Well, there's the first loop, and it was assigned. Yes, what's the final value after? Some of this you got to do the math in your head. I mean, I could write it down, I guess, but some of it's not too bad. Let's check what we got. So the value of b after the first iteration of the loop, where it was 15 and 10. So 15 and 10, they're not equal. 15 minus 10. I think that's what we got. What's the value of num b? Oh, num b stays the same? I'm gonna say I think it stays the same. Yo, it stays the same. Boom, 2 correct in a row. 2 correct in a row. And then what will it be after the second? Okay, so oh, what did I say now that was, oh, I said it was gonna be 5. So they're not the same. Okay, it equals, it equals 5. Check that, check that, check that, check that, yes. How many loop did it go through? Is that 3? Is that 2? That was 2. That was 2. Then after that, the loop is false. Let's go. Yo, what's up, Dodge Dude? Dodge Dude, what kind of Dodge do you drive? Or maybe you don't drive a Dodge. But Dodge Dude's in the house. Big fan. Yo. Let's see. It says I've been here at the charger for 9 minutes, but oh wait, no. Okay, so I started the live stream right around when I got here, so that was 22 minutes. I just don't want. I get half hour was my goal. Oh, Dodge 2 doesn't Ford Ranger. Okay, so I gotta wipe that out of my head. Maybe Dodge is the location you're in, not the car. Did we go over this? Yeah. And you were working on it the other day. Okay, so that was level 3. I beat level 3 earlier. Now I'm moving on to the next thing. Let's have an example. Scanning. So we're learning. It's kind of useful to remember and be taught that while loops can capture almost everything that you need to do on a computer. We'll don't hold me to that as fact, but it's a really powerful thing. So you can just set up your while loop, a few of them. I think that will help. Dodge Dude is where he's from. All right, very cool. Really like the green glow we got going on from the charger. We got at least 10 more minutes, I think. You have a computer too, but mine is made for gaming. This is made for portability. This is made to be on the go. This is kind of cool. It's setting up a conversation. How do you have the program go through a while loop with a conversation? And then what's printed if we type something? Program that has a conversation to mix up the response. Okay. Length divided by 4 divided by 4. Let's see if we got this right. Okay, so why do you say? Let's check my answer. Got it wrong. I'll be honest. I guess I'll throw it out there. Got it wrong. Because I went with normal division, not with what this told me to do. This said give me the remainder. So the remainder would be 0. And that means it would have given this statement. So I guess I don't get them all right. No. Okay, what is printed if the user types? Oh, I see. Keep it going. Isn't that a that's what she said? Now that I'm reading the comments, mine's big and bulky. Oh, maybe that's more. That's what he said. Okay, I think I'm close. I gotta take a guess at this one. Because I don't. Okay, I don't want to take a guess. What will be printed if the overtime by? Okay, so it's the remainder if you divide 3 into 4. Okay. Yeah. Good thing I remembered that. It's gonna be 3. Okay. So if it's 3, that's what I type. So I'm gonna do that. Keep on going. Nice. Okay, got that right. Which thing will execute if the... Okay, right. Which... How many will execute the user plans? Okay. That's true. definitely helpful to see how some of this code works. But okay, I'm at a 93% charge. I think I'm gonna head out. I'm at a good spot to stop in here. We got a big hello from Dodge Dude and some others. So I appreciate all that. Appreciate everybody that is out there.